Are the parts to this car scattered around the shop, or do you have them in one place, or they?
No, they're pretty well scattered.
Okay, you pretty well know where they're at, though, right?
Well, we're hoping my brain remembers every place, yes.
I hear you, I hear you.
Welcome back to Double Clutch. As they look at the 55 Buick, Carl and team diagnose what pieces of the car they have, so they know what kind of workload is in front of them.
Like the fender's not aligned correctly for the door, we got to take all that stuff back off, completely disassemble it and start all over with it. Try to get all of it where it's aligned back correctly again. Looks like most of the chrome pieces on the car are in pretty good shape.
Yeah, they look really nice.
Did you re-chrome this, or is it just the way you got it?
This is the way I bought the car.
So it's like, there's a little bit, a couple spots here, but other than that, it's a pretty nice shape.
Yeah, I was noticing a couple of little, one bubble here and one bubble there, but it's not bad. I mean, it'll all recondition out really well. And this is the piece
That's the piece
the
that's in the
NOS
box.
piece
Yeah.
that was in the box in the car, and it's got the center emblem in it also.
Yeah.
That's great.
And the center end that come out of this one's in there too.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we're gonna have a lot of extra pieces even after it's
I'm afraid you are.
even after it's put together. Are there any of the like the pot metal pieces of the car? The reason I'm asking is I know that some of it, like the taillight housings, are pot metal. This is pot metal. I think the portals are pot metal also.
Yes, they are.
Are there any new parts, NOS parts for the car? Any of that pot metal stuff? The pot metal
I
pieces?
don't think so.
Are the parts to this car scattered around the shop, or do you
Yeah.
have them in one place, or they?
No, they're pretty well scattered.
Okay, you pretty well know where they're at, though, right?
Well, we're hoping my brain remembers every place, yes.
I hear you. I hear you.
Yeah, but actually, there's, you know, I know where the seats are, and when y'all came to visit once, I showed you that.
Yep.
And the surround, which is metal on this car.
Now, from what I'm understanding, you purchased this car partially disassembled, just like it is right now.
Yep.
From a gentleman.
The only thing that I've done here is the brake work.
Wow. Okay. I was noticing that one of the hubs is off the car on the right front. The bearings and everything is all those parts there, so we can put them back on the car to move the car.
Yep.
How about tires and wheels? Air
Yep,
tires and
they're
wheels.
here.
Awesome.
They're standing beside. I don't know how many of them are aired up right now, but that's not a problem. We've got plenty of air here.
Okay. Awesome. Incredible.
Then the engine's rebuilt, correct?
Engine is professionally built in Tennessee. Yep.
What a find. What a
I
find.
know that's right. I mean, you found the one piece of rust in this car.
Where was that at?
In the trunk.
Yeah, I saw that.
Yeah. Yeah. That's the only piece I found on this automobile.
That's not a big deal. That's easy
Oh,
to
no.
fix. If that's the only rust in this car, man, we're in great shape.
Here's the tail light housings.
Yeah.
It's not too bad. Somebody just re-chromed them.
It looks like they worked here and they didn't work here, so it looked like they've been redone at one time.
Yeah, they just didn't take a lot of time with them. You can see that the taillight lens will cover some of that, but this looks like it's reoccurring again. So they need to be taken back down and start all over with them.
That's one of the neatest parts of the car. That,
Yeah, it is, isn't it? The look.
That and the front bumper, I think, with the Dagmires. Is that what you call them, those points? Dagmires, I think they call them.
I think you're right.
Yeah,
Yeah.
there's a lot of
I would
stainless
call them
pieces
Dolly
of the
Parton
car.
memorials.
There you go. There you go. See,
What
this
kind
one,
of shape is that one in?
this one looks actually better than that first one.
It's not too bad. That shouldn't be too bad.
Yeah.
That's a job for Jackie.
At least it's something to start with.
License plate lights.
Okay.
And Ford home.
Portal's in pretty good shape.
Yeah,
it looks
look
like
at
they're in
this
pretty
little
good
prize.
Hey, check that out. All right.
And the horn center.
Yeah.
And it's in
A
good
little
shape.
scratch to it, but you know, that'll probably polish off. Yeah.
Polish that off. It's not cracked anyway.
Yeah.
Excellent. It's like Christmas.
Yeah.
The further we go, the easier the job gets.
I know that's right. Well, I was pretty well prepared, but needless to say, I bought another one.
Yeah, a little surface rust. This is a piece we may end up having to clean ourselves and do the best we can with it. It'll destroy the glass trying to get it out. Unless we can find another one.
Yeah, I'm sure you can find another one.
You know, Scotty, we actually found 3 of these cars in a salvage yard close to us.
Really?
Yeah,
Four doors.
they're all 4-door
Most of the
cars.
good stuff stripped off, but there is
Yeah.
some stuff there.
Yeah. Of course, that's where your air conditioner is set on the parts car.
Yep.
Yep.
Cool. This is the other side, driver's side. It goes in this area here.
Yeah, get the duplicate to that one. Pretty sure this is the door.
That's the door.
Yeah.
So there's a small piece here,
Yeah.
and then there's a small piece there. Inside the trunk, we found several pieces of the stainless that go on the outside of the car. These pieces are critical that they're in good shape. If they're not, then the stainless has to go to be reworked and buffed back out so that it can be reused, which is an expensive and time-consuming process. And we need to get this car built as fast as we can.
That should slip inside of it.
Yeah.
That's it.
Now you're talking. Yeah,
That's it.
because it'll go to there.
It'll go to there, and then you got
Yeah.
that piece on
Yeah.
the roof goes
down the door. We haven't got the one that
Special
goes right
on
here.
there. Okay, I'm gonna try to find the short
Okay,
piece. Hold
I
on.
got it. Yep.
It looks like, yeah, that's the wrong side.
Yeah.
Some of the pot metal pieces have got a little bit of damage to them. That'll slow us down a little bit, but we have a pretty good source to get that type of stuff done, to get it reconditioned. It looks like it's going to be a great build.
Thanks for watching this restoration segment. Join us next time when Carl and his team look through decades of parts in the warehouse to find everything they need for the build.